Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my orange marmalade chicken. So let's get started. I have 1 1/4 cup of chicken broth that I have in my pot. To that chicken broth, I'll add in this whole jar of sweet orange marmalade. It's 18 ounces. So I'll mix this until it's well combined. So I'll put this on my stove on low. You want to make sure it's well combined. I canned my own chicken. So I had 2 chicken breasts in this can, so I used 2 pint jars. I drained all the liquid. I have it in my strainer. Now I'll add this to the orange marmalade mixture. You want to stir the chicken in. I'll let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. I have 1 cup of chopped carrots. These are the baby carrots that I used, and I diced them up small. So I'll add that to my chicken. I'll stir it around. I had this simmering for about 10 minutes, and then I turned the burner up, so I'll let this boil so it fully cooks the carrots. You want the carrots to absorb that orange marmalade flavor as well. To this, I'll add a little bit of pepper. I'll mix it in. Now I'll put the lid on. I turned my burner off. Look at how good this looks. So now I'll give it a try. I'll see how the carrots came out. I got the chicken. Perfect. I have 1/4 of a purple onion diced. I have 2 celery stalks diced and 2 garlic cloves diced. What I'm going to do is saute all this in a frying pan. I'll put a little olive oil. I'll do the celery and the onions first, and then I'll add in the garlic, and then I'll add all this mixture into my chicken and carrots. So I have my olive oil in my pan. I put the purple onion and celery in here. So I'll saute this. Once it's a little soft, that's when I'll add in my garlic cloves. It's coming along good. A few more minutes and then I'll add in my garlic cloves. Now that the celery and onions are soft, I'm going to add in the garlic. I'll mix the garlic around. This smells good. I really smell that garlic. Now I'll take this mixture and pour it into my chicken. I'll mix it in. I'll add about 1/4 teaspoon of the crushed red peppers. So I'll just sprinkle a little in. That looks good. Just to give it a little heat. Mix it in. I'll let this simmer for a ½ hour, and while this is simmering, I'll make my egg noodles. You can use the pasta of your choice, but I'm using egg noodles. You can even serve this over rice. This orange marmalade chicken really smells good. And then this meal is complete. I'm going to give it a try. So I have the celery, the carrots, some chicken. Really good. It's nice and sweet. Now I'll put the lid back on. So now I mix the noodles in with the orange chicken. I salt and peppered. I'll give it a try. This is good. So now that it's all done, I'll put a little on the plate and try it. So now I'll give it a try. This is really good. Give it another bite. Perfect. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryls Home Cooking and watching me make my orange marmalade chicken. It's really good. Give it a try. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.